If you want your Google Calendar to look more organized and easier to scan at a glance, custom colors are a simple trick that can make a huge difference. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Google Calendar custom colors on your computer, step by step, so you can personalize each calendar with the perfect shade. This is great if you manage work, school, family or project calendars and want each one to stand out clearly. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see a section called My Calendars. This is where all of your personal calendars are listed, and this is where you'll choose the one you want to customize. Now, hover over the calendar name you want to change. When you do that, you should see a few options appear next to it. Find the three dots icon, also called the More Options menu, and click it. This opens the settings and color options for that specific calendar. From here, you'll usually see a list of preset colors, but we want a custom color, so look for the plus symbol under the color choices. Click that plus sign to open the custom color picker. This is the part that lets you go beyond the default color palette and choose a more specific shade. Now you can pick a custom color visually. Or if you already know the exact shade you want, you can enter a HEX color code. That's really useful if you want your Google Calendar to match your brand colors, your team colors, or just a cleaner personal style. Take your time here and choose a color that makes the calendar easy to identify without making it hard to read. Once you've selected your custom color, look for a Save button if Google prompts you to confirm the change. Click Save, and your calendar color should update right away. If you don't see a save prompt, the change may apply automatically, so just check your calendar and confirm the new color is showing correctly. And that's all it takes to make Google Calendar custom colors. In just a few clicks, you can make your calendars more visual, more organized, and much easier to manage every day. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.